Sorry, I wanted to make sure my volume was up. Oh, I just had to share something. Sorry for the wiggling. I'm really, really excited. And it just makes me feel so good when people share their wins and their successes that they are having with essential oils in general, but especially when I have a part of that, when I am a part of that, when I have a part in that, it makes me feel amazing. So I had one of my students in the EO Recipes Club just text me a few minutes ago and let me know the success that she was having with some of my recipes. And it just made my day. It just totally made my day. It's like, I know my recipes work. I know people are being helped. It excites me all the time when people are giving me great feedback. But just listen to this, okay? I'm going to leave locations out of here, obviously, and names and everything. But just listen to this and consider that these are things that you also can try. And just as a disclaimer, this does not mean this is a cure, that this is a preventative, that this is going to work for everybody in every situation and everything or whatever, right? But this is one person's experience, so let me share this with you. She said, I just want to thank you for keeping my family and friends safe during this crazy time. You have helped one of my friends who has CV stay out of the hospital and heal at home using your recipes. We have been using them in my house as well. She's in a particular area that's going pretty crazy right now, and she said that I've given her the armor needed to keep her loved ones safe. So I was really curious to see what exactly that she was using. So she mentioned she made my congestion blend number 2 with the sandalwood to roll over. This was for her friend. She made her friend the congestion blend number 2 with the sandalwood in it to roll over her chest, and used one of my steam inhalations that my student put together for her. And she said she did all of this before she tested positive, and her friend said it was the only relief that she had from her constant coughing and chest congestion. So cedarwood and wild orange steam inhalation, those were the 2 essential oils that she used for the steam inhalation. And then the awesome woman who texted me this earlier went on to say that she's been using the same blend since yesterday, as she was feeling super congested as well. And that, let me see what else. She's using the anti-germ inhaler and diffusing in her car, as they are helping deliver food to the housebound elderly. So she says, I'm a lifesaver, and then, okay. So anyways, I just had to share that with you guys. So there are things you can do. You know, do not listen to anyone that says essential oils can't be helpful. They can be helpful for congestion. They can be helpful for germ killing. It can be helpful for diffusing. And there's just so many ways that essential oils can be awesome and can be used to help provide relief. So anyways, I just had to share that with you. I wanted to avoid typing all of this because Facebook and all of their algorithms, you know, use certain keywords and stuff, especially when it's in a positive light such as this, and they kind of go a little bit crazy, but it's a little bit more free on a video. So if you are interested in any of those recipes, go ahead over to eorecipesclub.com. I do have ones available at the free level. So I believe even the ones she mentioned are available at the free level. I know the steam inhalation is for congestion is available. The personal inhaler is available as well. I have hand sanitizer recipes for those of you that are leaving your house, because it's better than nothing. Of course, nothing beats good old-fashioned soap and water, so use those as well. But I hope you enjoyed, and if you have any questions, let me know, but I just had to share with you. So have a great day, guys.